Here's some Covenant of Works trivia. Subscribe. Which garden is associated with the original Covenant of Works? Is it A, Eden, B, Gethsemane, C, Babylon, or D, Versailles? The correct answer is A, Eden. In what century did John Calvin articulate the notion of the Covenant of Works? Is it A, 18th century, B, 17th century, C, 16th century, or D, 15th century? The correct answer is C, 16th century. What doctrine posits that Adam's sin affects all mankind? Is it A, atonement, B, Pelagianism, C, total depravity, or D, original sin? The correct answer is D, original sin. What is the fate of humanity after the breaking of the Covenant of Works? Is it A, rebirth, B, reconciliation, C, justification, or D, condemnation? The correct answer is D, condemnation. Which aspect of the Covenant of Works is often debated among theologians? Is it A, purpose of redemption, B, nature of creation, C, nature of the law, or D, scope of salvation? The correct answer is C, nature of the law. What type of covenant is the Covenant of Works considered to be? Is it A, conditional, B, unilateral, C, irrevocable, or D, temporal? The correct answer is A, conditional. What phrase summarizes the requirements of the Covenant of Works? Is it A, seek eternal life, B, follow the law, C, do this and live, or D, be faithful always? The correct answer is C, do this and live. What pivotal theological work discusses the Covenant of Works? Is it A, Institutes of the Christian Religion, B, Summa Theologica, C, The Great Awakening, or D, City of God? The correct answer is A, Institutes of the Christian Religion. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.